This is the world of the birds. We have our lovely little birdie Cheeky here. My lovely little bird Bazzer on their lovely couch. Lovely couch. Now, hi Cheeky. Hey Cheeky. Cheeky. Okay, then Cheeky, get off my hand. Get off my hand. You can get off my hand now. You don't need to be on my hand. Ah, don't fall. You gotta be more. Stop. You don't need to be on my hand like 100% of the time. Rosie, stop barking. They're taking my video camera. You've seen this guy before. I don't know if you've seen this girl before, but there's two. Yeah. I don't know if you have. Anyway, they're two birds from another world. I just did this to introduce you to her, mainly, and also both of them are friends. Okay, no, maybe not. They might fly sometimes. But I stopped them from doing that. Is your feather okay, Cheeky? I think that feather might be falling off. See you guys! Wait, I will do a video on my dog that I just told her to stop barking.